The importance of cultural diversity. Cultural diversity refers to the presence of different cultures, ethnicities, and traditions within a society. It is a concept that celebrates the uniqueness and richness of each culture and recognizes the importance of promoting respect and understanding among people from different backgrounds. Cultural diversity is not only valuable, but it is also crucial for the progress and well-being of individuals and societies as a whole. One of the key reasons why cultural diversity is important is because it fosters creativity and innovation. When people from different cultures come together, they bring with them a variety of perspectives, ideas, and ways of thinking. This diversity of thought can lead to the generation of new and innovative solutions to problems. By embracing different cultures and their contributions, societies can tap into a vast pool of knowledge and experiences that can help drive progress and development. Another significant aspect of cultural diversity is its role in promoting tolerance and reducing prejudice. When individuals are exposed to different cultures, they gain a better understanding of different perspectives and ways of life. This exposure helps break down stereotypes and prejudices, leading to greater acceptance and appreciation of diversity. By learning about other cultures, individuals develop empathy and respect for others, creating a more inclusive and harmonious society. Cultural diversity also plays a crucial role in preserving cultural heritage and traditions. Every culture has its own unique customs, rituals, and practices that are passed down from generation to generation. These cultural traditions are not only a source of pride and identity for individuals belonging to those cultures, but they also contribute to the richness and diversity of the global cultural tapestry. By valuing and preserving cultural diversity, societies can ensure that these traditions are not lost or forgotten, and future generations can continue to benefit from the knowledge and wisdom of their ancestors. Furthermore, cultural diversity has a positive impact on the economy. When societies embrace cultural diversity, they open up opportunities for international trade, tourism, and cultural exchange. Different cultures have unique products, cuisines, and art forms that can attract visitors from around the world. This influx of tourists can boost local economies and create jobs. Additionally, a diverse workforce that includes individuals from different cultural backgrounds brings a range of skills and perspectives, which can enhance productivity and innovation in various industries. Lastly, cultural diversity enriches individuals' lives by expanding their knowledge and understanding of the world. By learning about different cultures, individuals gain a broader perspective on human history, traditions, and values. This exposure to diverse cultures helps individuals develop a sense of global citizenship and promotes a sense of unity among humanity. It encourages individuals to appreciate and celebrate the beauty of diversity rather than fear or reject it. In conclusion, cultural diversity is of utmost importance due to its role in fostering creativity, promoting tolerance, preserving cultural heritage, boosting economies, and enriching individuals' lives. By embracing cultural diversity, societies can create a more inclusive and harmonious environment where people from all backgrounds can thrive and contribute. It is through acknowledging and celebrating our differences that we can build a better future for all.